ठीक है. Now we will discuss about these numericals. A series RLC circuit has R equals to 10 ohm, L equals to 0.1 Henry, C equals to 8 microfarad. Determine resonant frequency, that is FR, Q factor at resonance, that is quality factor, and then half power frequencies. Half power frequencies are what? F1 and F2. ठीक है. Then last one is what? Bandwidth, that is del F. ठीक है. So this is given R equals to 10, L equals to 0.1 and C equals to 8 microfarad. So we will convert it into farad by putting in place of micro we will put what? 10 raised to power minus 6. ठीक है. So what is the formula for FR? 1 over 2 pi under root LC, putting all the values here and then calculate FR. Next is what? Quality factor. We are having this formula, we have derived it. 1 upon R under root L over C. Putting all the values we will calculate the quality factor. Then we will put what? The half power frequencies. The half power frequencies are what? Lower half power frequency, that is F1. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है हमारा? FR माइनस डेल एफ अपॉन 2. व्हाट इज डेल एफ? दिस इज कॉल्ड बैंडविड्थ. डेल एफ हम सेपरेट फॉर्मूले से फाइंड आउट करते हैं, दैट इज R अपॉन 2 पाई L. सो फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट डेल एफ एंड देन डिवाइडेड बाय 2. और FR हमारे पास कैसे आएगा? हमने प्रीवियसली फाइंड आउट किया होगा यहाँ से. देन पुटिंग ऑल दीज वैल्यूज हेयर वी विल कैलकुलेट F1 and then we will calculate higher half power frequency F2 in the same manner. ठीक है. we will put what? FR plus del F by 2. ठीक है. last one is what? Bandwidth, del F. its formula is R upon 2 pi L. putting all the values, the resistance L, pi and 2, we will calculate the value of bandwidth. ठीक है. next is what? these are the short questions. that why parallel resonant circuit is called rejector circuit. ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है कि जो parallel resonant circuit होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? rejector circuit. ऐसा इसलिए बोला जाता है because at parallel resonance the impedance is maximum due to which the current is minimum and it almost rejects it. That why it is called a rejector circuit. ठीक है. next question is what? a series circuit has R equals to 10 ohm, L equals to 0.05 Henry and C equals to 10 microfarad. Determine quality factor. QF find out करना है हमें. So we are having the formula of QF. We have already derived it. 1 over R under root L over C. Putting all the values here. लेकिन एक बात का ध्यान रखना है, जो 10 माइक्रोफेरेड है उसको हमने चेंज करा है. 10 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर माइनस 6. वी विल फाइंड आउट QF. इट कम्स आउट टू बी 7.07. ओके. इट इज़ डायमेंशनलेस. इसकी कोई डायमेंशन नहीं होती है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एक्टिव पावर एंड रिएक्टिव पावर. व्हाट इज एक्टिव पावर? इट इज डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल P एंड इट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? VRMS इंटू IRMS cos phi. ठीक है. व्हाट इज it? can be defined as how? It is defined as the product of the RMS value of supply voltage and the active component of supply current. Its unit is watt. Okay. next is what? Reactive power. it is denoted by Q, capital Q. it is given by VRMS into IRMS sin phi. Okay. so it can be defined as the product of the RMS value of supply voltage and the reactive component of supply current. its unit is volt ampere reactive, that is VAR.